Hi bachelors and bachelorettes, today going to have a little look at how you can clean marks off like this, off painted walls. So in the house I've got plasterboard walls painted straight onto it. It's a new build house and that's how it was done. On moving in, managed to scuff the walls with something, not quite sure, it's left a brown mark, and a little bit above we've got a red mark. Okay, and it's just about see that. There's two ways to do this. Easiest way is if you take a normal pencil eraser and you want to clean off an end, rub it on some clean paper so it's got a clean edge, and you can tackle straight away the mark gently with that. And as we can see, instead of being a curve now, just got a little dot. And if we have a look at this one up here, see it's taking up that much space. If I give it a go with the eraser, again, it's much faded and half reduced, half gone. The other thing that you can use as well is you can use one of these, a magic eraser, which you can buy from your supermarket. It's a little bit of extra kit. And you can try using these dry, and you can see the stain starting to fade, the mark's starting to fade. But it's not quite as effective as actually using a normal eraser. Now you can dip it in a tiny little bit of water. You only want a little bit, and then give that a go. But be really careful with that. You can see that comes off a lot better. Be careful with that because it can, if you put too much water on, it can actually lead to the paint coming off the wall, and then you're having to start again with the painting job. Now there's the red mark. Again, a few little wipes down, and it's gone. Another black mark there. That's where there's actually a dent in the wall, but you see what I mean, it's actually stripped off a little bit of paint there. It's a bit too heavy-handed because I'm watching the video too much. Also, this technique works on wood, and this is from my pull-up bar. So magic eraser on the wood, the gloss paint works a lot better. Lovely sound. Quick up and down rub, and it's gone. So there you go, how to clean marks, basic marks off a wall. If you've got something that's water based, if you've got like a bug or a bit of coffee, you will probably need a damp cloth to get rid of it. Or if you've got something like fats, I've yet to discover a good method for getting rid of fats. Anyway, very quick video. Gonna have some more coming up soon. All right, bye bye. Take care guys, enjoy.